Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Duo English. I'm Emily. We're really happy you're here today.
And I'm Ben. Thanks for spending some time with us.
Ben, quick question. When you hear the word chores, how do you feel? Like cleaning, laundry, dishes, all of that?
Honestly, a little tired, but I also love the feeling after. When the house is clean, everything feels calmer.
Exactly. And chores are perfect for English practice because you do them all the time. Today, we'll learn daily chores in English, and we'll do it with a real simple conversation.
First, just listen and enjoy it. Don't worry about every word. Try to catch the big meaning.
Then, we'll explain the key words in easy English. We'll use short examples. After that, we'll ask quick questions, and you'll answer out loud.
And finally, we'll do repeat after me practice, so you can speak with more confidence.
Okay, picture this. It's a normal morning at home. You want your home to feel clean, and you want your English to feel natural.
All right, let's jump in.
So, Ben, what's the first chore you do in the morning? For me, it's simple. I make my bed. I pull up the blanket, I fix the pillows, and I make it look neat. Then I open the windows to let in fresh air.
Before chores, I usually make coffee. Then I tidy up the mess. Jackets, shoes, and my dog's toys. I pick things up, and I put everything back in its place. After that, I start my day.
Nice. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. Something simple. Toast and tea or yogurt and fruit. Some mornings I cook eggs. Other mornings I just make a quick sandwich.
After breakfast, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes, I wipe the counter, and I clean the sink. Mom always likes it when the kitchen is clean, and honestly, I do too.
And if the trash is full,
I take out the trash, then I put a clean bag in the trash can.
next I look at the floor. If I see crumbs, I sweep the floor first. Then I mop the floor. I want it to feel really clean.
And if you have a rug or carpet, you don't mop it, you vacuum it. I vacuumed a living room rug because my dog loses hair. Also, my roommate has dust allergies, so I have to vacuum often.
Right. An allergy is when your body reacts to something, like dust or peanuts. Okay, now let's talk about laundry.
Ah, yes, laundry. Usually on Saturday, I put dirty clothes in the washing machine, I add detergent, and I start it. While the laundry is running, I use that time for other small chores.
For example, you can tidy up the living room. You can pick things up and you can put them away. You can also dust the furniture and you can wipe the shelves.
Yes, while the laundry is running, I dust the furniture, I wipe the shelves. Sometimes I wipe the windows too, just a little, so they look clear. Then I take a short break and I eat a light lunch.
What do you eat?
Something easy, soup or pasta. At around 3 p.m., I fold the dry clothes and I iron 1 or 2 shirts, just the ones I need for work. Then I hang them neatly in the closet.
Nice. And in the evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner. Nothing fancy, rice, pasta, or roasted chicken. After dinner, I wash the dishes again because dishes never end.
Never. Great. Now let's do a mini story together. You'll hear everything in one real flow. Everyone, just listen first. No repeating yet.
On Saturday, I wake up at 8 a.m. First, I change the sheets and I make the bed. After that, I do the laundry. I put clothes in the washing machine. I add detergent and I start it.
While the laundry is running, you dust the furniture. You wipe the shelves. Sometimes you wipe the windows too, just a little so they look clear. Then you take a short break and you eat a light lunch.
At around 3 p.m., I fold the dry clothes. I iron 1 or 2 shirts, just the ones I need for work. Then I hang them neatly in the closet.
In the evening, you cook dinner. Something simple. Rice, pasta, or roasted chicken. And after dinner, you wash the dishes again, because dishes never end.
Exactly.
Okay, quick notes from that story. Change the sheets means you put clean sheets on the bed. Detergent is the soap for laundry. Fold means you make clothes neat after they are dry.
And iron means you remove wrinkles from clothes. Great! Now you heard these words in a real story.
Now let's make it even more real. In this next mini scene, we're two siblings at home. I'm the sister, Ben is the brother. Ben, Mom has been pretty busy lately. Do you think we should help her out with some household chores? Look at the living room. It's messy. I can clean up the living room, and I can vacuum the carpet.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Sounds fair. You clean up and vacuum. I'll sweep the floors in the kitchen and dining area, and I can take out the trash if it's full.
Perfect. After that, we can wash the dishes together. Mom always likes it when the kitchen is clean.
Totally. And don't forget to water the plants. They look a bit thirsty.
Good point. I'll water the plants. Oh, and we should make the bed and change the sheets, too.
Deal. I'll make the bed, you can change the sheets. And if we finish early, we can do the laundry too.
Sounds like a plan. I'll cook dinner tonight if you help me with cutting the vegetables.
Sure, I'll help you cut the vegetables, and I'll feed the dog before dinner.
Great. Teamwork makes the chores easier and faster.
Couldn't agree more.
Quick notes. 3 everyday phrases from that scene. Sounds fair means, okay, that's good. Deal means, okay, yes. Sounds like a plan means, good plan.
And one reminder phrase, don't forget to, is a friendly reminder. Nice. Now let's do one more mini story. This time, it's a family scene at home. You'll hear a mom, a dad, a kid, and even a grandma. Mom wants the house clean before grandma arrives, so the kid has to help. Listen for the chores and the simple phrases. Okay, Ben is Joey, the son, and I'm Mom. Good morning, Joey. Joey, it's late and you're still in pajamas. Okay, get dressed and make your bed quickly, and please carry these dirty clothes to the laundry room.
Good morning, Mom. It's the weekend. Okay, Mom, in a moment. I have plenty of time.
And don't forget to feed the dog and take him for a walk.
Don't worry, Mom, I won't forget.
Now, new role. I'm Dad and Ben is still Joey.
Dad, I'm taking the dog for a walk. Would you like to come with us?
I can't, Joey. I have to wash the car.
Okay then, see you later.
See you.
Okay, fast forward again.
Now, let's imagine Grandma is coming soon. Mom looks around and thinks, oh no, we need to clean up right now. Look at all this mess, Joey. You have to clean up this room. Pick up all this stuff and put everything back in its place. And please dust the furniture too.
Mom, I'm a little busy right now. I'll do it later.
I'm afraid you'll have to do it now. Your grandmother is coming in an hour. I'm going to vacuum the living room.
Okay, all right, I'll do it.
After about 20 minutes.
Mom, the room is clean and tidy now.
Well done. You've done a terrific job. I'm so proud of you.
Grandma is here.
And now I'm Grandma. Ben is Joey. There's a lot of cleaning to be done in this house. Let me lend you a hand. What do you want me to do?
Thank you, Grandma. You can wash the dishes and wipe the counter. I'm going to mop the floor.
Okay, I can do that. Sure.
And can you water the flowers too, if you like?
Yes, of course. Great. After we finish, we should get some rest. We worked so hard today.
Not yet, I'm afraid. I have to cook dinner.
Oh, I see. Do you need help?
No, thanks, but let's set the table together.
Good idea. Dinner is ready. Let's sit down and eat.
This is the best part of the day.
Quick notes from that family scene. Pajamas are the clothes you wear to sleep. Carry means take something in your hands. Lend a hand means help someone.
And set the table means you put plates and forks on the table. Great. Now you heard these words in a real scene.
Great listening, everyone. Now, before we do questions, let's learn 5 bonus phrases. These are very common in real life. Let's means let us. It's a friendly idea. You can say, let's clean up. I'm going to means I will. It's a plan. You can say, I'm going to vacuum. It's time to means now we should do it. You can say, it's time to do the laundry. I need to means it is necessary. You can say, I need to take out the trash. Could you is a polite request. You can say, could you wipe the counter?
Nice. Now let's keep it simple and review key words too.
A chore is a small job you do at home. Household means about the home. Make the bed means you make the bed neat. Open the windows means you open them for fresh air. Clean the kitchen means you make the kitchen clean. Take out the trash means you remove the garbage and put it outside. Sweep means you clean the floor with a broom. Mop means you clean the floor with water. Vacuum means you clean a rug or carpet with a vacuum cleaner. Laundry is dirty clothes or the job of washing clothes. Detergent is the soap for laundry. Fold means you make clothes neat. Iron means you remove wrinkles from clothes.
And a few helpful phrases you heard. Don't forget to is a friendly reminder. I have to means I must. Sounds fair means okay, that's good. Deal means okay, yes. Sounds like a plan means good plan.
Now, quick questions. Answer out loud before we say the answer. Question 1. What does Ben do before chores in the morning? He makes coffee.
Question 2. What do we do first if we see crumbs on the floor? We sweep first.
Question 3. What does take out the trash mean? It means you remove the garbage and put it outside.
Question 4. What do you add to the washing machine? You add detergent.
Question 5. Say a polite request with could you. You can say, could you wipe the counter?
Question 6. Say one plan with I'm going to. For example, you can say, I'm going to vacuum. Nice. Now repeat after us, one sentence at a time. Let's clean up. I'm going to vacuum. It's time to do the laundry. I need to take out the trash. Could you wipe the counter?
Great! Now a few key sentences again. Repeat after me. First, I make my bed. Then, I open the windows to let in fresh air. If there are crumbs, I sweep first, then I mop. I do the laundry and add detergent. If a shirt is wrinkly, I iron it.
Amazing! Now, let's hear the story one more time, smoothly as one listening piece.
It's a normal morning. Emily makes her bed and opens the windows to let in fresh air. Ben makes coffee. Then he tidies up the mess and puts everything back in its place. They go to the kitchen and make breakfast. After breakfast, they clean the kitchen. They wash the dishes, wipe the counter, and clean the sink. If the trash is full, they take out the trash and put a clean bag in the trash can. If there are crumbs, they sweep first. Then they mop the floor. If there is a rug or carpet, they vacuum it. On Saturday, Ben does the laundry, adds detergent, and starts the washing machine. While the laundry is running, he dusts the furniture and wipes the shelves. Later, he folds the dry clothes, irons 1 or 2 shirts, and hangs them in the closet. In the siblings scene, they split chores and help each other. In the family scene, Joey helps before Grandma arrives. Teamwork makes chores easier, faster, and less stressful.
Great work today, seriously. English is not a test, it's a skill. You get better by using it.
If you understood a lot today, amazing. If you understood only a little, that's still progress. One small step every day is enough. 10 minutes a day is powerful.
Before you go, tell us in the comments what is your favorite chore and what is your least favorite chore.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one.
We're your daily duo.
And your English-speaking buddies.
See you next time.
Bye!